It's 4 a.m. and we are about to head to the airport on our way to Costa Rica. I am ready for my beach vacation and ready to get all this snow and just sit on the beach, do some zip lining, see some monkeys. Let's go. Costa Rica was unlike anything I ever expected. The trip was planned by one of my friends, so I was just along for the ride. No thoughts, just vibes. Find out what happens when 4 couples all spend 1 week living in a house together in Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica. This is where the magic happens, the master suite, my bedroom. Here's one of the other couples' bedrooms, the bathroom. I would show you that, but it looks like someone's in there right now. There's one of the other bedrooms. Here's the handcrafted master staircase leading down into the kitchen. There's a baddie. There's another baddie. Here's the living room. And there's the pool area right outside. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. And you'll see later in the video, a bunch of wildlife literally comes right up to the porch area. Macaws, different kinds of birds, iguanas, and even monkeys. All right, we're picking up the rental whip. It's a Ford Blanco, 4x4. Let's go, baby. What do you think of the whip, baby?
Lots of space, you know.
Yeah. This is the cutest little acai bowl. Look at the baby one! Whoa! Oh my god!
That's what he said about you.
That's like super dad right there.
There you go. I'm just saying this on Twitter, right?
Look at the snake. He is so camouflaged. Can you see him? Ah, more baby ones. There's so many. Wow, look at that thing. Oh, look at them.
Oh, these aren't blue clingers.
Wow. Now we're in the famous Manuel Antonio National Park, and I thought it was going to be way more hiking oriented, so you can see I'm in an athletic outfit. This national park is actually way more beach oriented. There are some trails, but the beach is the main attraction. Look at this 3-toed sloth. Isn't he cute? Look at how fast he is. I had no idea how quick they actually were going to be in person. This is the beach I was telling you about. Look at how beautiful this bay is. Oh my gosh. The boys are trying to open these coconuts up. Whoa.
So close.
Get that coconut meat.
Get that good, bro.
Honey! Woo! Hold there. Next, we're gonna go to the local farmers market. They have beautiful fresh fruits of all colors. You can really taste the rainbow, as well as local coffee and local chocolates, and also some hand-carved wooden gifts such as shot glasses. Now we're gonna hang out by the beach for a little while. I prefer a beach blanket because I like to get my toes in the sand. I've never been a lawn chair girly, always a beach blanket queen. Some of my friends are off parasailing and they are absolutely having the time of their life. It was a birthday surprise for my friend whose birthday it is.
I love him so much. And he really loves Mariah's feet.
What's his name?
Foot.
I love him. He's so well camouflaged.
Yeah. I was just like sand.
I would never have seen him unless he started sprinting around.
Yeah. Wow, look at, I thought it was a spider. You're skilled.
Yeah.
It's golden hour, so it's time for a glamorous photo shoot. I'm going for a Sports Illustrated swimsuit edition type of vibe. Countries like Costa Rica always make me think of Sports Illustrated swimsuit edition. We are hitting up the famous Emilio's Cafe and look at that view. Absolutely breathtaking. Absolutely a must visit.
Yeah, rock on. Okay, mama.
We hired a private chef to make dinner for us for my friend's birthday dinner. The coconut rice is so good, I can't stop trying to recreate it. Macaws come right up to our Airbnb pool area around sunset to eat these little nuts off of the tree. This is definitely a bucket list item for me to see macaws in the wild. We are going ziplining. Oh my gosh, this is so terrifying. This is the longest zip line in all of Central America. This is one of those bridges that looks like it is straight out of National Geographic. So we just went ziplining earlier today, and now we're just hanging out by the pool. For dinner, we're gonna make some grilled chicken breasts using my special recipe. It includes Corona beer with green onions, cilantro, jalapeno peppers, habanero peppers, and whatever else I can find for peppers just to kind of flavor the meat. And basically how it works is the beer, the alcohol in the beer, it penetrates through the meat and tenderizes it, and it also acts as a vehicle for the flavors of the other aromatics that I've added to the marinade. Can't wait for my friends to try it later tonight. I have to do some practicing for my bodybuilding show. Where better than the pool deck? Yeah, this is kind of how I heard that South Africa is, where the wildlife just kind of comes to you. Like you just kind of drive around and cheetahs and lions and stuff will just come right up to you.
I saw a video of, like, I'm sure it's South Africa or like one of those, like a place close to it probably, of like a tourist villa where they're eating lunch and two hippos started fighting in their villa. Just run up on land.
That's kind of scary because I know hippos are very vicious.
Yeah, hippos kill more people than like lions apparently.
Yeah, they do. Oh my God. There's another couple of birds.
Yeah, those guys are the ones that keep making that noise.
What are those? Gotta zoom in. There's just birds zooming everywhere. Now we've got another Sports Illustrated moment. This time it's poolside edition. Later tonight, we're supposed to go to Yaco. We're gonna have dinner there and then we're gonna go out for a little bit. And Yaco is supposed to be kind of more the Miami, more the Cancun type of environment of Costa Rica.
We just got back from the club in Jaco, and we went to this restaurant. And what did you think of the restaurant?
It was kind of trashy. They did not clean the table. There was a drink and then a bunch of random shit on the table, and we had to clean it ourselves. The service was super slow. The waitress got our orders wrong, and but the drinks were really good though.
Yeah, and also the bathroom was it was a public bathroom inside of a mall, and it wasn't very clean, and there were no hand towels, and the dryer was also broken. So
I will say, it's an open air mall, and we shouldn't have expected that much, but at that sort of price point,
yeah,
I expected more.
At the price point, I would have expected more because our meals were over $90. So,
and most of the food wasn't that good. Oh, okay, no, I'm lying. The tacos were pretty good. I like the tacos, but the appetizers and everything else were. Anyway, the restaurant was mid. The clubs, the first one we went to,
I think we just went too early because there weren't that many people there.
Yeah,
but the second one we went to, it was a Jamaican party. That was really fun. They were playing Vibes Cartel.
Walk in, and then there's a restaurant kind of vibe with a bar. And then you go back, there's 2 pools and bars.
Yeah, and also kind of more of a club room with.
Club room too. Apparently it's a hotel.
Yeah, so you could get a hotel room next to the pool and be right next to the party. You just walk out and there's literally a party, and some people were doing that. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think we might get in the pool for a little bit with our friends.
We are exploring the secret jungle waterfalls of the locals. Look at how cool this little waterfall is. And if you swim back there, there is a little secret cave back there. This area is famous for natural water slides just like this one. There are some bigger ones, however, I'm too terrified to go off of them. I don't want to hit my head on a rock or, land on a rock or something really tragic like that. I feel like a total jungle woman right now. I'm swimming through a jungle river wearing a leopard print bikini, and I have my GoPro in my hand, filming all the fish and all the rocks and all the wildlife that I'm encountering on my way down the river. This is the second waterfall. This one is more
part of a swimming hole / giant water slide. I'm too scared to go off of it though. My friends all cooked this delicious breakfast together. Look at the breakfast potatoes, the fresh fruit that we got at the farmer's market, the delicious eggs. We are so ready to eat. This is the main local waterfall, Nauyaca Waterfall. This one is definitely more touristy and it's attracting way more people. I am having a great time jumping over all of these rocks and swimming through all of the new jungle pools. We are enjoying a beautiful sunset dinner overlooking the bay. This view is absolutely unbeatable. And we got to see the other type of sloth, a two-toed sloth, because he lives on the bars at the restaurant. Look at how cute he is. The farmer's market, and I found these really cute fridge magnets, which are gonna make excellent gifts for my friends and family back home. I love the bright colors that are everywhere here in the Caribbean. And I also got some coffee. I'm not a huge coffee person, but my friends and family, they really like coffee. So I hope they're really gonna enjoy this because Costa Rica is known for coffee and chocolates also.